Hey, hello everyone, this is Castillo from moneymakerarea.com, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you 7 side hustles, ideas or activities that you can start doing right now and you can start making money online. But before I get into the topic, if this is the very first time you're in my channel, welcome. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm updating my channel pretty consistently, and I usually talk about how to make money online, passive income, affiliate marketing, lead generation, traffic sources, and related topics. So if this is something that you want to go ahead and master, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I don't want you to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be sharing with you 7 side hustles, ideas, or activities that you can start doing right now if you really want to make money online. There is no secret. We all know that there are several ways in which we can start making money online. So maybe one of these can be the one you need to start making money right away. The first one is by buying and selling stuff online. Okay, this is the most common. Well, back on the 90s, it was super popular there, but there are still people who are actually still doing these activities. They are publishing what they are not using because it can be something 100% new. It can be used, but in a good condition, and you can put it on eBay or you can put it on Craigslist. Okay, so if you have something there that you purchased but you are not using it anymore, maybe a second-hand computer, maybe some t-shirt that you are not using it right now, someone else out there can be looking for this item. So do not hesitate to put your listing out there. If you have a lot of cool stuff, or this is something that you want to do but you want to have more control, you can create your own online store. Okay, but I know that in order to do that, you are going to need to have a little bit more technical skills. You will need to have, the ability to do some online marketing because you need to drive traffic to your store. So a great way, again, if you want to just get started, is put everything out there on eBay and Craigslist, because these sites, they are extremely popular and they do have tons of traffic. If you do not have anything right now, but you are really interested in starting about this, you can do something that it's called drop shipping. Drop shipping is basically that you are going to find a supplier or a manufacturer out there. They do not sell the product directly to the customer, so you are going to be like the middleman. Okay, it can be anything from electronics to clothing, sneakers, watches. It can be anything. They are going to give you the price with the shipping, and you can put an extra amount of money, and that's what's your profit it's going to be. So again, you're going to be like the middleman. These are physical items, so you need to make sure that everything is high quality. The second thing that I would like to share with you is, if you have some kind of skills, you can create your stuff and sell it online. Okay, there is a really popular website that is called Etsy. Again, Etsy is like the eBay, but for these handmade things, so they do have tons of traffic and they do have a lot of people out there who are looking to buy these products. Okay, so you can create them. It can be a handmade, but nowadays Etsy is giving people the opportunity to sell digital products as well. So if you're a graphic designer, you can put your designs out there. You can even sell, just to give you an idea, you can design a cool thing for the t-shirt, but maybe you are not going to sell the physical t-shirt. Maybe you're just going to sell the design, so people can buy it and they can print it on the t-shirt themselves. You can do this on Etsy. If you decide to go this route, Etsy is going to charge you 20 cents per listen. So it's not free, but as you can see, it's pretty affordable. You can put digital products here and you can put physical products here as well. So if you are really creative with these kind of things, again, you can create your own stuff and you can sell it online. The third thing that I would like to mention is freelancing. Okay, sometimes when we are, in a need to make some extra money and you have a skill, you can sell it online. You can use websites as Upwork and freelancer.com. Okay, if you're good at doing copywriting, maybe you are good with Excel, so you can do a database. Okay, even you can do phone calls. You can have your own setup as a call center, in your own place. You can do this again on Upwork, and you can do this on Freelancer. If you're giving these kind of services, something I would like you to be aware is that you need to agree with the terms and conditions. So chances are that you are going to need to install a software that is going to be recording, your computer every now and then, doing screenshot, because people are going to pay you some of the times based on hours. So there's going to be like a rate per hour. So you need to understand that this is one of the things that you need to commit if you want to sell, if you want to be an online freelancer. Okay, there is a lot of opportunities out there. Okay, maybe you're gonna be a copywriter, maybe you're gonna be a proofreader. Okay, it can be something super technical, it can be something super basic as doing phone calls, like follow-up phone calls with people providing you the script, because there is a need out there. There is people out there that they want to pay you for your services. So if this is something that you want to do, maybe you don't want to go to a regular 9 to 5, but you know that, hey, you don't want to have an online business up and running, what you want to do, to make money online. This is a good way to do it. There is a lot of demand. Okay, the fourth thing, and this is something that I used to do in the past, I'm not doing it right now, but I'm going to start doing it in the near future. It's blogging. Okay, if you know my story, I started blogging back in 2007. I used to have a really profitable and successful blog network, right? And you can do a lot of money with just one blog. Okay, it needs to be niche specific, and you can actually make a lot of money for real. But you need to understand that this is not going to be an overnight success. This is going to take time, okay? And you need to be patient. But the earning potential, again, it's amazing. Why? Because you can have tons of products that you can sell online. You can build your email list, and you can have sponsors, okay? And you can have several income streams with just one system. In this case, the system is going to be by blogging. Okay, there is some technical skills required, yes, because you will need to buy a domain, you will need to buy a hosting, you will need to set up WordPress, which is right now the number one platform for blogging. Okay, but once you have everything up and running, it's a matter of just creating content. So make sure that if this is a route that you want to follow, make sure that you're going to be on a niche that you're passionate about, because you need to create content. Okay, especially if you're on a budget and you cannot afford to pay someone else to do the content for you. But again, this can be really profitable. I can tell you by experience. Okay. The fifth one is that you can teach online. Okay, you can teach online. If you have some kind of knowledge, you can teach it online. There is tons of people out there who are looking to buy courses. Yes, I know there are platforms as YouTube, right, in which you can watch videos, but sometimes people want to go from A to Z, right? And they know that they need to have, a proper course, right? And they're willing to pay for that. Okay, you can use a platform as Udemy, in which the only thing that you need to do is to upload the content. In this case, it's going to be a videos. If you want to have like a checklist or everything, it can be on a PDF. But you need to understand that if you do it this way, you need to understand that if you put your course out there and that says that the price is going to be $99.90, right? Because you put a lot of effort, the content is great. These platforms can put your course on sale, and you are not going to be able to modify that, okay? But this is a great way if you're just getting started, if you don't know about marketing, online marketing, and all that stuff. It's great to start this way. The other way is that you can create your own platform. Yes, you can create your own membership site. By the way, if you're interested about creating your membership site, I suggest you to go with Builderall. If you want to give it a try, I'm going to leave the link below and you're going to have it a try, 7 days free trial. What I'm suggesting you to go with Builderall, because Builderall is an all-in-one marketing solution. You can not only just create your membership site, collect the payments via PayPal or Stripe, but you are going to be able to create funnels. You're going to be able to do email marketing. If you decide to go ahead and every now and then you are going to be doing webinars, you can do everything with Builderall, okay? This is my number one recommendation if you want to go this way and you would like, to sell courses online and you want to build your own platform, okay? So if you have your own ecosystem, to put it in a way, right, you're going to be able to put your prices, you're going to be able to do upsells, so people are going to be able to buy the course A, right, product A, and you can do an upsell. You can put in like, okay, if you want to have a complementary training that is going to give you some other skills that you're going to need, you can do the upsell. So you're going to have full control. So that means that you're going to be able to make more money online. Again, if you want to go this route, my suggestion is to go with Builderall. Again, the link is going to be below. So you're going to have a 7-day free trial. Number 6, one of the things that I'm doing right now and I really like, it's affiliate marketing. Okay, why? Because you can promote other people's products. Okay, this is really great because if you do not have the time, okay, to create your own product, if you don't feel comfortable right now creating your own product, you can start promoting other people's products. Okay, please make sure that you are not jumping from one niche to the other. Please make sure that you're going to choose one niche, you're going to stick to it, and you're going to suggest people products that you use or you test. Okay? This is a great way because there are, all kinds of products out there. Your only job is to drive traffic to that product. That's it. Okay, they're going to do the sale for you. They're going to close the sale. If they do have upsells and everything, they're going to do it. And you're going to be getting paid commission based. Okay, so this is a great way that I really like. This is the way that I'm making money right now. If you want to learn about it and if you want to know my number one recommendation of how to make money online with affiliate marketing, I'm going to leave a link below. It's going to be the very first link in the description. You're going to learn everything about affiliate marketing, how to have a really profitable online business with affiliate marketing, and how to do it on the proper way. So that's going to be my number one recommendation. And last but not the least, another activity that I'm currently doing right now, it's YouTube. Why do I like YouTube? Because it's a great way to share my knowledge. It's a great way to connect with people. It's a great way to teach people things. They're going to be watching videos. Sometimes they don't watch it, but they listen to the content. And I really like this. It's amazing. It's a great platform. And if you reach certain level, you can monetize it. Okay, you can monetize it several ways. One way is with Google Ads. Okay, so I really like it. I really feel comfortable, and I'm suggesting people to create their own YouTube channel. If you are shy to be in front of camera, don't worry. You do not need to record yourself. You can just record your screen, or if you're doing a review about a product, right? You can do the review by recording just the product and you are going to be talking. At the beginning, you're going to need to edit your videos like a lot, and that's okay. That's normal. Maybe you're not going to have the best camera. Maybe you're not going to have the best microphone. That's okay. People care about the content. There are going to be people who are going to be connecting with you. There are going to be people who are going to be connected with me. There is a lot of people out there. And if you are like, well, I really don't want to share anything because there are tons of videos about a lot of things out there, why will people care about me? Because I'm just getting started. Again, people are going to connect with you because maybe the way you explain it, they love it. They love the way you explain it. Maybe they just, like your tone of voice. Maybe they relate with your story. There are different variables, and I want you to understand that. So these are the 7 side hustle ideas that I want to share with you today of how to make money online. If you have one that I did not mention, please leave it in the comment area. I really want to know it. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And I see you on the next video.